It is the 3rd of June, 2021. This is WIKISPEED Standup. It's just me today. Lauren isn't available. It's Michael Wolchuk from Saskatoon, Canada. Last week, I posted last week's meeting minutes, and on the tank level project, I combined CERN's open source hardware contract with the Creative Commons license, CC by 4. And posted that to the license for the tank level project on Wiki Factory. I keep saying Wiki Project. It's not Wiki Project, it's Wiki Factory. Mobile inverter is no progress, as are Sunfounder Raspberry Pi kit. I was hoping that the adapter was going to get in this week, but it seems to have been delayed for another week, unfortunately, so I have nothing to show on that. Next week, I'm hoping to continue with the robot operating system version 1. I had discussed that last week. I'm running on Ubuntu 20.04, and I'm using 3 circuit seller articles to try and get my feet wet on that. For the tank level project, I'm hoping to do 2 videos. The first one is actual operation, showing the data being logged into Signal. And the second is a bit of a how-to video, taking the parts that I've got now and plugging them together to make it work. I'm not sure that that's going to be a useful video because those aren't the parts that Lauren and I had discussed making the kit out of. There's connectors on the one that I'm using now, and you can get them backwards and mixed up, which causes trouble. It's far simpler to solder it. And if you didn't solder the wires on, you'd be soldering connectors on anyway, so it's not like you wouldn't be soldering. So in any case, I'm hoping to get a couple of videos done. If that USB Wi-Fi adapter shows up, I'm hoping to load the applicable drivers and get it working on the Raspberry Pi. Blocks. It is sunny and hot at the lake. I'm enjoying it outside. I'm enjoying outside, sitting in the sun, on the boat, instead of working on projects, and I really can't be sorry about doing that. It's just it elongates the schedule a little bit. For retro, I got 3 out of my 4 points done for the week. 1 for attending stand-up gives me a 7 out of 10. No, actually, it's 8 out of 10. 8 for the team. And I do not have a process improvement. And that pretty much does it for this week. I will get this posted shortly.